Hi everyone, I'm very excited that you are here and I'm talking to you at this very instant now. And you're about to just start your Chinese journey. I know there's a lot to take in now before you've even started learning this level here. But before I move on, the last thing I want to tell you is very, very important. The last thing is that I want to tell you we have a website as well, if you don't know of it already. It's called Domino Chinese, and you've seen it in links earlier as well. If you go there, you can sign up. It's completely free, and then you can get access to all the material we have. You can also get access to support and forums where students talk to each other, and you can make loads and loads of friends. Also, on Udemy, we're only able to offer 2 levels, but on dominochinese.com, we're actually able to offer more than that. There's 20 levels on that website. Last thing about that as well that I really like is that we want education to be affordable for everyone. Therefore, we've actually made this up to you. So you can actually pick your own price. So long as you pay us something, we're making money, and we're happy with that. You can go to our website and read more about that philosophy. We just really want you to get access to our material. So when you go through this course, you can consider now, if you really like what we're doing, consider going to our website and continue to learn there, and then you can support yourself but also us in doing this and growing, and we can support us and we can grow a lot quicker and a lot larger on a shorter time span. Very excited to have you here, like I just said. Remember what I just said there as well. If you like us, consider signing up on our website. Bye for now and good luck with the course.